Attention North Huron, Wingham Fire, please respond 283 Summit Drive. Responding there for a CO alarm sounding in the residence. Parties are going to wait outside. They are feeling okay. 283 Summit Drive. Attention North Huron, Wingham Fire, please respond 283 Summit Drive. That's between John Street East and Patrick Street East. Responding there for a CO alarm sounding in the residence. All parties will wait outside. They are feeling okay. Again, it's 283 Summit Drive between John and Patrick Streets. It is 8:35, February 13th.
Fire dispatch, car 3.
Car 3, go ahead.
Car 3 acknowledged the stage for Wingham Station to 283 Summit Drive for a CO alarm.
That's Roger, Car 3. You're acknowledging the page at 8:35:54.
Fire dispatch, call North Huron Engine 1.
Engine 1, go ahead.
You can show Engine 1 responding to 283 Summit Drive in Wingham for the report of a CO alarm going off. Alpha plus 3 belted.
That's Roger, Engine 1, you're responding Alpha plus 3 belted at 8:40.
Fire dispatch, call Engine 1.
Go ahead. Engine 1, go ahead.
You can show Engine 1 on scene. We do have a split level home, nothing showing. Alpha B command and mobile.
Roger that, Engine 1, you're on scene. Split level home, nothing showing at this time. Alpha B in command and mobile, 8:43.
Fire dispatch, call command.
Go ahead, command.
You can show I've made contact with the homeowner. We do have a 360 in progress, and we have an entry team of 2 entering the structure with a gas meter.
That's Roger, command. You've made contact with the homeowner, 360 in progress. You have an entry team of 2 entering with a gas meter. It's 8:45:20.
Command, call 3.
Go ahead for command.
360 complete. Chimney on the south side. Might be worth having an inside crew to figure where those appliances are, if they're on the delta or if they're on the side.
Roger that. Break, fire dispatch. You can show 360 complete.
That 360 complete at 8:49.
Command, entry team 1.
Go ahead, entry team 1, command.
We've done a sweep of the basement and the second floor, no readings. The furnace exhaust on the delta side looks like there's a chimney.
Roger that. You've done a sweep of the first and second floor, 0 readings. Furnace on the delta side looks like it's going to the chimney. Can you find a fireplace on the Bravo side?
Yeah, it's in the front room. We'll take the meter in close to it, and then we'll go up to the 3rd floor for a sweep. Command, entry team 1 will be exiting the building. We'll do a face-to-face.
Roger that, entry team 1 exiting the building. Fire dispatch, call North Huron command.
Go ahead, command.
You can show we've done a 360 of the structure with nothing found. We've also had an entry crew do a full sweep, and we have 0 readings. Still investigating.
That's Roger, command. 360 complete, nothing found. Full sweep, also 0 readings. Still investigating. 8:55.
Check.
I'm on my way there now, okay?
Roger that. Fire dispatch, call North Huron Command.
Go ahead. Command, go ahead.
You can show we've completed a second sweep of the structure, 0 readings. We have a source that faulty alarms within the residence. We've replaced 2 smoke and CO alarms. Command will be terminated. Engine 1 will be clearing the scene and returning to station.
Roger that, Command. I copy. You've completed a second sweep. 0 readings. Source is a faulty alarm. You have replaced the smoke and CO alarm. Command is now terminated. Engine 1 is clear and returning to station. It's 9:39.
Command, call car 1.
Go ahead, car 1.
Yeah, have you cleared scene yet?
Yeah, roger that. We're back at station.
Yeah, do you want to swing by the town hall? I just walked in the front door. They're complaining of a smell of natural gas, and I can smell it too.
Roger that. We're on our way.
Yeah, non-emergency. I'm not going to generate a call into them.
Fire dispatch, call North Huron Command.
Go ahead.
You can show us back at the station from that first incident. However, car 1 has requested us to stop by the Wingham Town Hall, but requesting not to generate an incident for it.
No answer this time.
That's Roger. You are back to the station, but attending the town hall. No event required at 9:47.
Fire dispatch, call Wingham Station.
This is the fire unit calling. Go ahead.
Yeah, dispatch, this is just Wingham Station. You can show engine 1 is back at station, and we're back in service.
That's Roger. You're back in service at 10:11. Have a good day.